Okay, all right guys, so it's hot, so please excuse the AC. Listen, I did post on my community tab about the Snuggle, but I wanted to go ahead and do a video for you guys, for those of you who are not really into the whole community tab, because I'll tell you this, I like the convenience of being able to post there, but then to have to keep up with responses and comments from the community tab and the videos can get pretty overwhelming. And so I kind of wanted to do this quick video for those of you who do not care much for the community tab about the Snuggle, to let you guys know that I did get credit for that today, and I did all 3 on one transaction. I was gonna do it separately, but I went ahead and just did all on one transaction. It actually went, I feel like my camera's crooked. It actually did go through twice, and the second time it I didn't get credit for one of the Snuggles, but I'm not gonna complain because that was just extra anyways. And so yeah, all right, but I did get that receipt, did go through twice minus one of the Snuggles. All right, for those of you who did not watch my last video, y'all know y'all need to go and watch that video real quick. Well, not real quick, because that was a long ass video. When I was doing it, I was like, dang, like when I was doing my videos, I was like, I know this video is gonna be hella long. I know it's gonna be hella long, but it was jam-packed with a lot of deals. And so, but if you didn't watch that video with the Snuggle, there are 3 rebates on Shopkick for Snuggle products. One is for the exhilaration. It is the larger one, but it is working on this one, which is $4.77. And then we use a $1.50 coupon, so you end up paying $3.27, and you'll get back 1,100 kicks on Shopkick, which is equivalent to $4.40. So it makes this $1.13 money maker. There's also one on this one as well, so you'll end up getting it'll basically make them both $1.13 money maker, you guys, which is just amazing. All right, on that. And then the other one was this one here, which is the Snuggle, the blue sparkle, this one right here. This one is $6.57. okay, again, using the $1.50 coupon, you'll pay $5.07 out of pocket, you'll get back 1,100 kicks, which is $4.40, making that like 67 cents. So 67 cents for this, and this is a 90 loads. So yeah, awesome deal on that. And then I did the Suave deal again. I don't know if y'all want to see that. I did the Suave deal again. Bam bam, use coupons, got back what I got back on Shopkick. And then I also got 2 of the not body washes, 2 of the shampoos. Use the coupon, 2 off 2 is all in my last video. I really didn't want to go over every single deal that I did today. What else? I did the trial size on the Prenamo and the Sensodyne. Now this is a deal that I missed on my last video. Please excuse my nails, y'all. I just took them off yesterday. I was like, I gotta let my nails breathe. I'll probably get them redone tomorrow, but I was like, I had to take them off and let my nails breathe. But I did the Sensodyne and the Prenamo, the Sensodyne and the Sensodyne Prenamo. These are in the trial size section. They are, bam, that's them, there they go. They are $1.56 each, and then you're gonna get back, how much? You're getting back 510 kicks on Shopkick, which is $2.04, making them 48-cent moneymaker for each one, which is really, really cool. So I'm hoping that this works out. Like I said, I'll let you guys know by way of community tab if it works out, or maybe I'll pin a comment for this video, because I haven't did this yet, so I don't know for sure if it's gonna work. Let me see if it's gone through. Now what I did is I did each Snuggle on a separate receipt, because I really wanted to process as fast as it can, because it's the fastest that it could process, is the fastest that I could do it can. And so that's one reason why I like doing my receipts for Shopkick on separate receipts, because like it could take a day or 2, and even longer sometimes. Like it could take much longer. And so if I find that the fewer rebates on a receipt, the faster it processes. And then it's like, so it's like, I mean, there might be like, let me see, as a matter of fact, let me see how many processed so far. Let's see. Let me see. One of them processed already. the exhilaration one, that one I already processed. This one, let me see, let me show you, and it is today. I'm about to flip this camera. Focus, man, focus, man. See, bam, bam, bam. Okay, so that one already went through, and that's why I like doing them on separate receipts, because now I know for sure I could do this again tomorrow. I did the Dove bar soap again, I did the Dove deodorant again, and what else? Oh, another thing, I did the Covergirl pencils. These are the ones on clearance. These are the same ones I've been getting forever and ever. They're $2.26. I used a $3 coupon. Let me see if I can show you. I literally just clipped what I needed for like right now. And I don't know if I can actually show you a coupon. I think I only clipped like 4, but they only had 2 in stock. Oh, here it is right here. So this is the coupon right there. There it is. There you see it, okay? So I used that coupon and I got 74 cents of overage for this, all right? You want to check your area here. There goes the UPC. Bam, bam, bam. There goes. There she go. Okay? And this is the only color that was $2.26. There were some other things, but I really didn't have a lot of time because I got to go pick Josiah up from school. I did. With the coupon, I did. And I got credit for it too, so yeah. I'm just saying. There was no exclusions in the description, and I did. And I got it back. Let me see. Let me see. I'm gonna do a video for y'all for Ibotta. I'm gonna do one. I think real quick though, real quick. I think that most of us, if not all of us, can agree that what has us the most irritated, and I get, is your platform, do what you want to do on your platform. I get that. But I think what most of us are more irritated with is the lack of transparency, of letting us know, hey, you know, next month we're gonna roll out this new thing. We're gonna be doing it like this. You know, give us a little head start. Let us know something. I think most of us can agree that we just really wanted to know sooner. We didn't want it to just be like we sleeping at night and y'all and freaking Ibotta headquarters is down there, you know, thinking of what they can do to make our lives more difficult. And we wake up and not even know. And so, and another thing is like, if you're not into like social media, Instagram, YouTube, and you're just a regular Mojo Ibotta user, how are you supposed to know? Like, how are you supposed to know there's new rules? You wouldn't know unless you read the description, which a lot of us can agree we really don't. I know I don't. And so, yeah, I think, but for the most part, I feel like most of us, we really just wanted to know sooner. Like we didn't want them to just sneak it in there in the middle of the night we catching our Z's and you just slip it in there and we just wake and not even know. And I don't know about you guys, but I do my deals at night, and I just go to the store in the morning. I don't really fact check nothing. Like my fact checks are done at night when I'm doing my deals, or putting my deals together. And then I go to the store the next morning, 6 o'clock when they first open, and I hit the deal. So when I did my last video, you guys, I was at the store at 6 o'clock, 6:15, and I was getting my deals done. I wasn't fact checking nothing or checking nothing or reading nothing. I wasn't doing nothing. And the fact with this new thing is that you got to go to their website just to find out what the hell is going on, which I don't think is cool either. I mean, they could have easily put that. They could have put a banner on the top of the home page of Ibotta saying, hey girl, you know, we about to do this, be ready, you know. But they didn't. They just said, okay, we're gonna wait till they sleep, and we're gonna just sneak up on them and we're gonna get them. And that's exactly what they did. They got us. They got us. So what am I doing? I bought the gosh, you guys, this was today. That was today. My nails look so crappy. Oh God. And they're so sore, man. I had to bite these things off yesterday, y'all. I was like, man, I had to take them off. I had to take them off because I've been rocking them for a minute now, and I was like, I need my nails need to breathe. And so, but anyways, I did. I'm sorry. Other than that is it, you guys. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, don't forget to show your girl little love by liking this video. And I'll see you in the next one, you guys, because I totally forgot something. When I went to submit my receipt on Shopkick, it looks like the rebate was reduced down to 700 kicks. And usually when that happens, where the rebate is reduced and the home screen still shows that higher amount, I normally get the higher amount. So when I submitted it, it did say 700 kicks, but when I got it back, I did get back 1100. I just wanted to clarify that because I know that by the time this video is up, it may be at 600. I'm sorry, it may be at 700 kicks, and if it is at 700 kicks, which is $2.80, then the Snuggles, the ones that are $4.77, it would make those 47 cents, which is still not bad. Like, I would still rock with that deal. Yeah, I would, in fact, would still rock with that deal. And then the larger bottle, that would then be $2.27, which, if that's your brand of choice, I mean, it's normally what, $6.50. So even for that one, $2.27 is still not bad, even for that one. And I probably would still go ahead and just rock with it, and I would probably just flip them real quick on OfferUp. But God, y'all, I was so busy this morning. Real quick, I was so busy this morning. I had like 3 customers in like a 30-minute period. But yeah, anyways, guys, just wanted to kind of add that real quick because I know that it does look like it was reduced to 700 kicks, but I did get 1100. Let me see if I got the other ones yet, because that will be on my list mañana. It will be on my list and ready to go as soon as I leave gym, my homie gym. Let me see if it went through already, because I'm telling y'all, I don't know what y'all experiences is with Shopkick, and if you do a large, you know, haul, if it all goes through fast or if it takes a long time or if it lags. But for me, the more rebates on a receipt, the longer that it takes. And this one just had processed like literally this afternoon, probably about an hour ago. And I did this haul 2 days ago. Yeah, that's the only one that went through so far. But yeah, so kind of just wanted to add that. Again, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for your support. And I will see you guys in the next video.